And next, we are going to implement the function remove a book from an existing order. When the admin user clicks the remove hyperlink next to a book here. And now let's edit the URL of this hyperlink in the order form page here. The hyperlink to remove. The hyperlink to remove here. It should be a relative URL remove underscore book underscore from underscore order. With ID parameter is ID of the book need to be removed. So the value of this parameter is order detail dot book ID. Save the file and let's refresh orders. We need to log in again because the session